Alright, so I got something special for y'all today, man. It's the first one in my city, so check this out. Look at that baby. Oh my God. 2018 Dodge Demon. Ain't she pretty? Come on, man, SRT. Don't play no games. Look at those tires, man. Those things are ridiculous. 315s, 40 by 18. Destroyer gray. So let's look at base price. Base price $83,295. Obviously got the 6.2 with the supercharger strap to the top. All the factory options. Let's see what he got for optional. Rear seat option leather. Oh wow, it's only $1. I didn't know that. That's crazy. Comfort audio group. $2,400. Demon logo. Floor mats. Front passenger. Demon vehicle storage package. $475. Demon car cover. Trunk carpet kit was only $1 too. Wow, that's damn cut. Gas guzzler tax is $1,700. Total price is $89, so almost 90 grand for a Dodge Demon. That's not that bad, man, for 840 horsepower Dodge. Look at that baby, man. Look at that Demon.
Okay. It's inside right now. All right.
So, you know, come stock Brembo brakes. Look at those rotors. Those things are massive. I like it, man. Now this is the first one in upstate New York, man. It's already sold. Look how huge that is. That's crazy. Hey, I don't want nobody touching it. Oh, he's got the red seat belts too. That's nice, man. Obviously we can't test drive it, man. It's $89,000 car. You know, I wouldn't even want to if I could, man. One little scratch or dent, bro. But it's sold already. They said I'm trying to get the I'm gonna try to come back and get the pickup date when he come and get it. They say he'll be back on Sunday to pick it up. Again, Destroyer Gray, I think, is one of the dopest colors that they offer for the 2015 and 2018 lineup. I think it might not have been 2015, it might have been 2016 they started this color, but this color's crazy, man. Look at that. I'm gonna give y'all one more walk around. First Dodge Demon in upstate New York, man. Crazy. Congratulations to the owner. Whoever you are, man. Hopefully I'ma see him on Sunday when he come pick it up. Oh my God. Words can't explain how beautiful this car is. Those fender flares, man, just make it look so chunky. Look at that. Look how much that sticks out. Crazy. Look how big those tires are, man. Ridiculous. It's got the suede interior too, the suede seats instead of the fully leather. Let's see if I can get in there. Oh, he's got the leather with the suede in the middle. Ooh, I like it. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching this quick video. I came up here to talk to my guy Andre, man, at Dome Dodge. Check him out, man. He's a great guy. He got me out of a situation with some cars I was driving, got me into something different. I so happened to walk in, he's like, yo, we got a Demon, go get a video of the Demon real quick. I'm like, oh yeah, where is that? Show me. And man, I walked around the corner and it was right there. All right, so appreciate y'all for watching, man. I got a couple more videos coming to real soon. The reason I came up here to see him is to do a couple car reviews. So I know he's got a 2018 Pacifica for me, and I think it was something else, maybe a 300, I think he said. So stay tuned, catch those videos, guys. I'm out.